Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on operations research. This is part 12. Now come to the question. Question number 1. A minimization problem can be converted into a maximization problem by changing the sign of coefficients in the dash A constraints, B objective function, C both A and B, D none. Correct option is A constraints. Question number 2. If in a LPP the solution of a variable can be made infinity large without violating the constraint, the solution is A infeasible, B unbounded, C alternative, D none. Correct option is B unbounded. 3. In maximization cases, dash are assigned to the artificial variables as their coefficients in the objective function. A plus m, B minus m, C 0, D none. Correct option is B minus m. 4. In simplex method, we add dash variables in the case of equal. Correct option is C artificial variables. 5. In simplex method, if there is a tie between a decision variable and a slack or surplus variable, dash should be selected A slack variable, B surplus variable, C decision variable, D none. Correct option is C decision variable. 6. A VFS of LPP is said to be dash if at least one of the basic variables is 0. Correct option is A degenerate. 7. In LPP, degeneracy occurs in dash stages. Correct option is B 2. 8. Every LPP is associated with another LPP is called dash. Correct option is B dual. 9. As for maximization in assignment problem, the objective is to maximize the dash. Correct option is A profit. 10. If there are more than one optimum solution for the decision variable, the solution is A infeasible, B unbounded, C alternative, D none. Correct option is C alternative. 11. Dual of the dual is dash. Correct option is A primal. 12. Operations research approach is A multidisciplinary, C scientific, B scientific, C initiative, D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. 13. For analyzing the problem, decision makers should normally study A its qualitative aspects, B its quantitative aspects, C both A and B, D neither A and B. So here correct option is A its qualitative aspects. 14. Decision variables are A controllable, B uncontrollable, C parameters, D none. Correct option is D. 15. The issue of decision models. Correct option is D here none. जो भी ऑप्शन यहाँ ऊपर दिए हुए हैं वो सही नहीं है. So question number 16 dash is one of the fundamental combinatorial optimization problems. A assignment problem, B transportation problem, C optimization, or D none. Correct option is A assignment problem. 17. An optimization model A mathematically provides the best decision, B provides decision within its limited context, C helps in evaluating various alternatives constantly, D all. Correct option is D all. 18. The quantitative approach is to decision analysis is a. Correct option is C scientific approach. Question number 19. Operations research approach is typically based on the use of. Correct option is B mathematical model. 20. In a manufacturing process, who takes the decisions as to what quantities and which process or processes are to be used so that the cost is minimum and profit is maximum? Correct option is D production manager. 21. Linear programming has been successfully applied in dash A agricultural, B industrial applications, or C both A and B. Correct option is C both A and B. 22. The term linearity implies dash among the relevant variables. A straight line, B proportional relationship, C linear lines, or D both A and B. Correct option is D both A and B. 23. Process refers to the combination of dash inputs to produce. Correct option is A, one or more. 24. What has always been very important in the business and industrial world, particularly with regard to problems concerning productions of commodities? Correct option is C, decision making. 25. What are the main questions before a production manager? A, which commodity or commodities to produce? B, in what quantities? C, by which process or processes? D, all. Correct option is D, all. 26. Who pointed out the businessman always studies his production function and his output prices and substitutes one input for another till his costs become the minimum possible? Correct option is C, Alfred Marsh. 27. Who invented a method of formal calculations often termed as Alfred Marshall? Correct option is D. 28. Who developed linear programming for the purpose of scheduling the complicated procurement activities of the United States Air Force? Correct option is A, George B. Dantix. 29. This method of formal calculations, often termed as linear programming, was developed later in which year? 1947. Correct option is A. 30. What is being considered as one of the most versatile management tools? Linear programming. Correct option is B. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, R Classes, and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.